Hey honeys, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell notification, tell a friend, tell that friend to tell a friend. Everybody subscribe, come back and see me. Okay y'all, we're gonna get right into this installation video. Y'all, I'm gonna try to make it as short as possible because this took forever. Y'all know the saying lot? Yes, it took all of my life to do this, but I'm glad that I took the time that I did because it turned out very beautiful. I'm very happy with the finished product. Let's just look at this hair. So these have been in my head for a week. I'm going to use the Naturalstyles Afro Twist Hair Marley style, 27 and 27-1 beard. Okay, so I re-moisturized my hair with the Mielle Pomegranate Honey Leave-In Conditioner, and I love this. It smells so good. And then I sealed with Blue Magic's Originals made with shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves. So this is the one that I use. My ends look wonderful. Okay, so all I'm going to do to start this off is I'm going to use a little Shining Jam on the new growth because my hair has grown out some in the last week. So I'll use a little bit of this. My hair is re-moisturized, it's sealed. I'm not concerned about putting anything else on my hair. So I'm just going to start by getting one piece of the hair. I'm going to attach this like a traditional box braid or something. I'm going to go around, attach it, and then I'm going to braid down until about here or so. I'll twist the rest. And then y'all, I'm just going to flip up my hair if I need to, being that my twists are very long. So I'm going to do a little one of these, pin up so that I can have a bob all around, okay? Y'all stay tuned. You do not want to miss this. See y'all soon. Okay, so we have all of the sections. So now the next step is just to insert my extension hair, braid it down some, start wrapping. We're gonna get started. Honeys, I did not use the rubber band on my entire head. I did do it here as a trial, but it wasn't necessary. What I ended up doing is using that shortest piece of extension hair. Once I flipped up my natural hair, I just went ahead and wrapped that shortest piece all the way up until that shortest piece was secured, and then I used that longer piece of hair and went back up the lock to finish it out. You will see later in the video where I started with that shorter piece of hair, and you'll be able to see that a lot of the twists are already raveled up. So when you see that, that's going to be the reason why, because I wanted to prevent this happening. So I wrapped that extra piece, as you see here, around my hair without securing it with the rubber band. As I continued to secure my natural hair with that shortest piece by wrapping it up, it became a lot easier to do, and each of these started to look much more uniform and neat, and you'll see that later in the video. Okay, so now that I've attached it and I have folded up my hair, put a rubber band on, now all I'm going to do is go back up this. I'm going to start with my finger in it to make a loop. And we're just gonna go, first I'm gonna go pretty close at the bottom to make sure that my hair is wrapped in very nicely. Opening it and just kind of wrapping it around. When we get up to the top, we're going to wrap it a couple of times there, and then we're just going to go right back down that twist to get it together. Going to go right back down the twist. Okay. One piece of hair per lock. That's all you're going to need. If you do it like this, that's all you're gonna need, y'all. One piece, and we're just gonna go back up, fill in where it needs it. Your hair is wrapped in and protected. Now we're just gonna go somewhere and secure it. Now it's secured. And look, y'all. Now, I'm going to have to fix this because it messed up on me, but the ends would not look like that. So, and then you can shape these because they're so soft, you can shape them into the bob. Okay, so that's the process. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to do a lot of these off camera. As you all see me wrapping this around, I do want to mention that the uniformity as well as the size of your faux lock depends on how tightly you wrap the hair. So if you want your faux lock to be less uniform and to have more of a boho look or one of those distressed looks, I would suggest you wrapping it looser than what I'm doing. Now, there are some different
sections in the back that I had to go back and add hair to because there were small gaps in the lock. And here you can see this is where my process has become more neat, and it's a lot more easy for me to go ahead and wrap this for uniformity and to get the desired look that I want. So if you want a different look, wrap it less tight, make your sections larger or smaller, whatever you prefer. You go ahead and you augment my process for your desired look. I will also mention that I had to add more than one piece of hair to the front section because those faux locks are longer than the ones on the side. So one piece of extension hair just was not enough, and I did go in and add, and that really helped with the color and the overall look of my style. Honey, ain't no way I was gonna leave those three on the side big and bulky like that. So I did redo them so that they would look more like the rest of my head. And I will say taking these down the very first time was a bit of a struggle, but when it was time for me to remove these, my entire head, y'all, it was a breeze.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on that bell notification. Remember to spread the word. Okay, y'all, so I'm out of here. I'm about to go and enjoy this beautiful day and this hairstyle, and I got cute for y'all. So I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Peace, love, and a whole lot of light.